Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create 2x2 picture in Canva. Now let's go ahead and begin by creating a 2x2 canvas. We can go ahead and click the create button right here and then click customize size, and then from here instead of pixel go ahead and click this and change this to inches. Now go ahead and write here 2 or values 2 for the width and height, and then click create new design. Alright, now that we have created this design right here, we can close that one, and then let's head over to our image. Now, what if, say, for example, your image is, yeah, this one, something like this, something that has a background color, and then you want to get that removed. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. Head over to remove that BG. And then from here, go ahead and upload your image. So in my case, mine is located at the desktop. I'm going to go ahead and click that and then click open. And there you go. You can see that it has done the magic itself. So we can go ahead and download this one. We're going to use the free version, but if you have the pro version here, you can definitely unlock the max. All right, now from here, go ahead and click the download button, and then we're just going to drag that image in here. There you go. And then we can go ahead and resize this one, make this bigger, and then go ahead and center this one. All right, I think that's the center. And yeah, from this point forward, you can actually go ahead and download this one. Click share, download, and then choose the file. It's going to be PNG, and then download. So yep, that's the easiest way in order for you to create a 2x2 image or picture here in Canva.